Money is an integral part of our lives, yet many of us grow up without a proper education on how to manage it effectively. As a result, we often find ourselves making financial mistakes and struggling with money-related stress. In this video, we'll explore 11 crucial lessons about money that you might not have been taught but are essential for financial success and peace of mind. Lesson number 1. Understand the importance of money. People with a poor mindset assume that money is the root of all problems, that money is evil and only brings unhappiness. However, when they get sick, they ask for charity, and emergencies, they beg God for money, or when they are in debt, they hope for a miracle to get money and pay their debts. Based on this, do you still think money isn't important? While money doesn't buy happiness, it frees us from many problems and allows us to live and enjoy life more peacefully. Also remember that money is a neutral element, neither good nor bad. It all depends on your relationship with it and what you do with it. Lesson number 2. Investing is much better than saving. People without financial education often think that the only way to get rich is to save and hoard money. But in reality, saved money loses its value. We will delve into this concept further in the upcoming lessons. But the idea is that whenever you manage to save a considerable amount of money, look for ways to invest it. Whether it's buying land, investing in stocks, starting a business you've always dreamed of, or some other opportunity that seems profitable. This way you give your money the opportunity to generate more money instead of letting it depreciate in your savings account or under the mattress. Lesson number 3. Don't underestimate the power of the internet to increase your income. Many people underestimate the power of the internet to make money, but you should change that mindset and leverage the digital world to boost your bank account. Unfortunately, there are many people lying and trying to deceive you on the internet just to enrich themselves. That's why many people are still afraid or don't really believe that they can have an income solely from the internet. But if you don't believe it, think of it this way. If you want to make money, don't underestimate the power of the internet, as it is the present and the future. Lesson number 4. If you want a lot of money, set goals. There's nothing as motivating as working every day with the goal of buying your own house, achieving your big dream, creating a success business that provides you with more freedom, improving your family's life, or achieving financial freedom to enjoy life while traveling. Goals allow you to get out of bed and fight for them. They even drive you to seek ways to earn more money to achieve them quickly. Therefore, understand that the first step to making large amounts of money is to set solid goals. Keep these goals where you can see them every day. That way, on days when you're feeling unmotivated or facing difficulties, look at them and remember the true reason you're striving to achieve them. Lesson number 5. The best investment you can make is in yourself. This is a quote from Warren Buffett that has had a profound impact on me. Truly, this is the only investment with zero risk, and no one can steal it from you. It all starts in your mind. So the best investment you can make is to enrich your knowledge, to apply it to your businesses and generate money. Additionally, investing in your education develops skills that will serve you both in your personal life and in the growth of your wealth. Therefore, if you have the opportunity to learn something that will be useful in the future, don't hesitate to invest your time and money in it. Lesson number 6. University is not necessary for wealth. How many people do you know who graduated and are unemployed, or who work in something completely different from their field of study, or young people who work in what they studied but earn a meager salary? I'm not saying that university is bad, because there are professionals who love what they do and are happy with it. However, if your goal is to make a lot of money, you can study and seek knowledge on your own. Learn everything about money, savings, investments, and most importantly, how to improve your financial habits. Look at today's top millionaires. None of them work as employees in their university field. To achieve wealth, you should invest, start your own ventures, seek multiple sources of income, and most importantly, never give up. Lesson number 7. Your emotions influence your financial decisions. How many times have you bought clothing on impulse? How many times have you overspent at a bar just because you were happy? How many times have you missed a great business opportunity out of fear? How many times have you spent your savings on senseless things just because they were on sale? I'm pretty sure you've done many of these things, and I have too many times. We are human beings, and we will act based on our emotions if we don't know how to deal with them. If you no longer want your decisions to be influenced by your emotions, you must always be vigilant and make decisions rationally. One way to control some of these emotions is to think in moments of impulse. That is, think about how much it costs to earn that money, all the effort you put into obtaining it, and the sweat or stress you went through to get that money in your hands. Remember that forethought can contain your impulsive emotions. Lesson number 8. You must know where your money is going. Would you like to reduce your expenses, ensure your money is enough for everything, or even save some money every month? If your answer is yes, then all you need to do is control your money, and this can be done through a budget. A budget is a tool that has been used for many years, and if you've never been taught how to do it, don't worry. We'll explain. Making a budget is very easy. Just download a specific app for it. Use an Excel spreadsheet or even a piece of paper. Record all the money coming in without omitting anything, and then record all expenses, even the smallest ones. Allocate the money correctly to each category, and don't forget the most important part: set aside money for savings. This way you'll have a clear idea of where your money is going, how much money is left each month, and you can identify and control your unnecessary expenses. Lesson number 9. Wealth is not materialism. Certainly you've always lived with the belief that wealth means having a luxurious car, a luxury house, designer clothes, expensive jewelry, the biggest TV on the market, the latest smartphone. However, wealth is not measured that way. Wealth consists of the resources in your mind to make money. Wealth is the constant flow of money that allows you to be financially free. Wealth is the assets you own that generate income for you every month. Moreover, wealth is all the money you have accumulated, and that is growing day by day through the power of compound interest. Lesson number 10. Identify all types of debts. You've probably heard that debts are bad and only serve to give you headaches. However, just as there are bad debts, there are also good debts that allow you to make money. Learning the difference between these two types of debts is an important choice that you probably have never been taught. First, a bad debt is one that takes your money every month without any return. For example, a debt to pay for your vacation, a debt to buy a personal use car, a debt to indulge in luxuries, or a debt to buy designer clothes. On the other hand, a good debt is one that puts money in your pocket. For example, a debt to buy a car and rent it out, a debt to leverage your business, a debt to buy an apartment and rent it out, or a debt to invest in a venture. Moreover, good debt is what wealthy people use to become even richer. Even with good debts, it's possible to make money without having money. So leverage banks to generate income, and don't let banks take advantage of your ignorance to enrich themselves more and more. Lesson number 11. If you want financial freedom, create multiple sources of income. Having multiple sources of income not only generates wealth and freedom, but also provides you with great peace of mind in case something goes wrong. For example, imagine you rely solely on your salary. What would happen if you were suddenly laid off? Obviously, you would be in a tough situation, waiting to find another job while your expenses for rent, food, and other bills can't wait. However, if you have 3 sources of income from different businesses and one of them fails, the impact on your finances won't be as significant because you still have 2 other income sources to sustain you until you can recover or start a new business. This illustrates the importance of having multiple sources of income, which provide you with wealth, security, and peace of mind for a better life. Did you already know all of these lessons? Which one impacted you the most? Tell us in the comments. Remember, it's never too late to start implementing these lessons. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey, and the sooner you begin, the more financially secure your future will be. By understanding and applying these principles, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards your financial goals with confidence.